What's going on? In this video, I'm going to be sharing a project that I've been building here. So basically, this is an AI agent infrastructure, and I'm just going to go through the file base. It's going to be a quick video. The idea behind it is something similar to OpenClaw, but I'm using Claude Code, right? So I'm going to talk about AI agents, dashboard, the architecture, the file structure, etc. And it's also an interactive course which shows you how to build this thing out. So this is VS Code here, okay? And I'm not a developer, I'm not a coder, but I'm quite impressed with what I built so far, and this is going to evolve daily, okay? So the first thing is, if we look at agents, I got one main agent right now. It's moneymaker.py. He's going to run autonomously, basically, and he's going to look at my CRM, all my contacts, my products, my payment processors, etc. He's also going to look at all of my social medias, and he is going to give me reports throughout the day of monetization. Okay. Now, I have a couple other agents I'm working on, but I'm not building stuff just to build it. I could put 10 agents here that don't do nothing like most people do. That's not what I'm doing. There's requirements. Now, the crons, I got the backup, daily backup cron job, which basically is a scheduled task every 24 hours. Then I have a morning brief cron, and then I have a nightly whiteboard update. So this basically really it evaluates the day, what the goals were, what got done, gives me a report, preps me for the next day, and then in the morning I get a brief in the morning, right? And this is all going to evolve. Docs, browser use, if you want your agent to use the internet by itself. Okay, then there is playwright is similar. Okay, so we'll go on here to examples. Now, what's powerful about, I'm going to get into the lessons, is your AI having context about you and who you are. Okay, so when I get into the lessons, lesson one is based on deep research, and it's a very deep context builder. So your whole system, as you onboard, basically this is a program that you run, one copy and paste, okay, command line prompt in your terminal, and it's going to onboard you and take you through the whole thing and contextualize everything. And then look at this now. First, it gets to know you. Then it helps you develop your first skill in Claude Code. So a skill is basically it can be more complex, but you can think of it like this. It's just a slash command and it runs and does the same thing every time, okay? MCP is Model Context Protocol. So here in the real world, I connect my CRM with all of my business stuff. I can talk to my CRM through this, which is extremely powerful. Then there is the AI agents team here. I show you, well, the lessons show you in real time you're building how to deploy 3 agents at the same time. So that's like agent swarms. Each agent spins up and does a different task, and they're all doing them at the same time. Then this is to build and ship something real, obviously, because it's all about doing. It's not just about learning. And then we go into the system, and then crons is setting your cron job. So you have these scheduled tasks. So if you're familiar with OpenClaw, it's similar, but OpenClaw had a lot of bugs, a lot of glitches, a lot of security issues, a lot of hype. But the functionality, I found Claude Code to be much more functional, where you can just build and it works, and you can just keep building on what you're building. Like this started out as a very small endeavor, and it's like compounding, and it's really wild how powerful that this is getting, because someone that doesn't know coding, doesn't know any of these tools, is confused, is overwhelmed, can get in here, run my program, and it will literally onboard them, teach them what things are as they go, and then build them. Nothing theoretical, everything practical, right? Then what I'm going to be doing here soon is the mission control dashboard. I already have a rough draft, but it's going to be an interactive dashboard that looks super cool, shows the agents, shows the cron jobs, and this is all customizable. Okay, all customizable. You literally talk to Claude Code. If you don't like something, if you want to remove something, if you want to tweak something, you want to change something, that's what's so powerful about this is the AI agent that you're speaking to in Claude Code, right? And I use voice to text, so I could show you that in a moment. I don't sit here and type. I just talk to it, and then it performs, it works, and we build. This is deploying, and I'm going to organize all these files and everything a little bit better. And the lessons are going to just keep continuing, and the whole system is going to build and be a recursive learning loop, right? But the whole point is monetization. For me, it's content creation, online business, organizing my life, self-development, and tracking my builds. So I build first. I spend hours in here building. I extract all the value from that and I SOP that. I turn that into templates. I turn it into prompts, agents, crons, and I add it to my system. And then that way people can have, in a sense, training wheels, but it's very powerful too, right? You're actually building here. You're not just living in the realm of fairy tales. Then I'm teaching here about local AI if you want to get off of the big tech APIs, because if you run local AI and you basically run the model so that it is uncensored and unfiltered, you're not going to have limitations that you'll have with big tech, because there are limitations on them. If you ever use them thousands of hours like I have, you'll see that they'll start to loop you, and they act as a helpful assistant, but they'll actually start to detour your work, okay? And when you get into building some really cool stuff, plus your API, they're getting all your data, they're getting your intellectual property, they're logging you, they can use anything against you legally. It's just not good. I can go on a whole rant on that, right? Browser use. This is the start.md. I'll probably do, oh, I'll definitely do more videos, walkthroughs of actually going through the actual process. But this is just the file structure here. For the mission controller, there's a server. It's using SSE, so it's going to interact and synchronize in real time. So if I change something on the front end, it's going to actually adjust the files here, and we'll be able to watch it on the back end, and vice versa, right, in real time. So this is powerful. Then I'll have a web application as well. So, like I said, I'm not a coder, I'm not a developer. Now here, agent playbook, architecture.html, right? I got all these files here. You can see they're real files. All right, imagine having to code this yourself, right? 400 lines. It's not going to happen. So here, the dashboard, this is another thing here. I'm not going to get into that. Prompts reference. I have really good really good prompts, these 30 prompts here. And then I have a skill that you can choose the prompt. I have a skill that creates skills. I'm creating a skill that suggests the top 3 skills. Like, so one of my skills, I'll show you those here actually in real time. So the prompts are fire because they pull from your context, your Claude.md, which is your context of who you are, what you're about, your goals, etc. Quick reference, system builder. Whiteboard is a file that I created, and this is basically so that you have contextual memory in between sessions, you know, what you did, where you're at, and what you're going to do, basically. Okay. And then there are some other skills here. Don't be overwhelmed by all of this, right? Because the actual lessons explain it. And my whole goal is to be as lean as possible, but as powerful as possible. So there's action taker. He's the one that urges me to not have paralysis of analysis and to build what's most important in the moment. Okay, there's audit. I can run an audit on my entire code base at any time. These are skills. I do slash command audit. It runs an audit. We fix any errors. We push the code base. Then we have content research writer, copywriting, email sequence. Okay. Once again, I can talk to my CRM right here. I could just literally talk like this and say, hey, how many contacts do I have? Send an email, send an SMS, how many leads came in today, etc. Evaluate. This is basically, as I'm building and all that, this is cross-checking me. So I'll probably convert this into an AI agent, and it's going to basically push back and cross-check me on everything I'm building. It's going to search the internet, search all the tools, all the GitHubs, all the MCPs, all the skills, and I don't want to build something that's already existing, and I just want to use those tools that are already there, right? We don't need to recreate the wheel here. Evening check-in, we discussed that. Okay, this is the CRM setup. Humanizer, this is just a common skill that somebody else built. A lot of these skills I built myself. Humanizer, obviously, makes your text make it seem like it is not an AI. Jarvis setup, this is voice-to-voice mode. Okay, MCP builder, this will build a model context protocol for you. I did this and used this, and it worked on my own CRM because there wasn't nothing out there. I spent a lot of hours trying to like find somebody that did it, so I was able to put that together here by knowing how to use Claude Code, which is just, talking to it. My reel, this was like one of the first ones I made. I'll probably reiterate this one, but it's a script for reels because I do short form content. Prompts, repurposer, self-explanatory, self-improve. So the whole system is going to be self-improving. I'll probably have an agent that checks maybe every 4 hours or so on a cron, and that will basically improve the system daily. So the whole point is to have RAG, vector memory, and if you don't know what some of these concepts are, it's okay. But basically a very smart AI system where everything is in one place. I have memory. I can run it locally without big tech APIs, okay? I can have my database, my data's mine, my data can be private and secure, etc. But it has arms and legs, which is MCP tools, APIs, and whatnot. I got to be quick because I have a meeting. Session brief. This is really cool. I created this skill. So when I start a new Claude Code session, it goes ahead and gives me the brief, what we did last session, where we're at, what we need to do, and it's always prioritizing what is most important. Session wrap, when I'm going to close out a session, I do this. It extracts all the high value out of the entire session, and it wraps it up and it prepares me for the next session. Once again, we're preserving that memory, that context. Skill builder, self-explanatory. He builds skills for you, any skills you want. Social content, summarizer, voice loop, voice on, voice off. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll do more videos, of course. This is like functional and operational. The best part is the lessons. Okay, all this other stuff is just what I'm building myself. So obviously, I'm super passionate about this, and I mean, I spent so many hours and so much money running around with this AI stuff, and I just realized I had to build the solution, right? So if you're interested in this, you've been overwhelmed and all these other things. I know that the screen looks crazy right now. There's so much more I want to show. I do have a meeting in like 1 minute though. So let me know in the comments, like, subscribe, comment, check out the description, follow me, go to my website, if you're interested in learning more. Also, I do have products, services, offers, paid group, etc. And if you want access to this exact program that you can run, and it will take you through this whole process, and you will literally build your own AI agentic system with memory, with context, and it's very affordable. I've been running you can run like the $20 a month model on Claude, and then obviously you could run more, you get 5 times that for like 125 a month. But even the $20 a month is enough to get in here and do stuff. You don't need to spend a lot of money, and it's extremely powerful because you're going to learn by doing, not by consuming. So I really hope, you join me on this journey because I'm going to continue to build this out. I believe it's going to be awesome. I don't really see anything out there like it. And wait till I show you the functionality and me interacting with Claude Code and the dashboard and everything synchronized. It is going to be absolutely awesome. So if you want more info, description, links in bio, go check out my site, watch the video there, and if you feel like it's worthwhile, come on and join, come on the inside. God bless.